Do you also hate these two words? Don't worry. I'll teach you how to use these two words in your sentences. Today's lessons is about how to use to and how to use for. To usually used to talk about the destination, direction, or a receiver. For example, I got to school. To school. School is a destination. I got to school. I got to the hospital. I got to my grandma's house. Another example, I will give this book to my friend. That's a receiver. I'm giving the book to my friend. The friend is the person who receives the book. Friend කියලා කියන්නේ යාළුවා කියලා කියන්නේ පොත ලබා ගන්න කියන. So I will give a book to my friend. I will give a book to my friend. This parcel is to my mother. This parcel is to my mother. So mother is the receiver of the parcel. Parcel එක ලබා ගන්න කෙනා තමයි අම්මා. I got to the school. I got to my school. I will give the book to my friend. So to is used to talk about a direction, destination, or a receiver. For is used to show a reason, purpose, or a benefit. For example, I'm studying for my exam. I'm studying for my exam. So why do you study? For your exam. The reason for studying is because of the exam. I study for my exam. To usually talks about to where or maybe to who. But in the other hand, for talks about kind of a reason why. Okay, I got to school, I got to the supermarket, I have to visit my grandparents too. All right, in the other hand, for the for, you talks about why. Okay, I'm writing this letter for my friend. Why do you write the letter? It's for your friend. This gift is for my friend. This gift is for my friend. So who does get the benefit from the gift? මේ දෙන tag benefit එක යන්නේ කාටද? වාසිය යන්නේ කාටද? For the friend. So we use for in there. I'm studying for my exam. I'm studying for my exam, which means I'm doing the studying. The reason is for the exam. The reason is the exam. So we use for in such situations. Okay students, so I hope now you understand the difference between to and for. Okay, so let's meet with another video from another day. Goodbye.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's meet in the next one.